In this tutorial, I will show you how to use lines, shapes, graphics, charts and other elements in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. Next, enter the dimensions for your canvas. For example, you can set the width to 100 pixels and the height to 50 pixels. Then click Create New Design. After the blank canvas opens, go to the Elements section on the left side. This is where you will find lines, shapes, graphics, charts, and many other design elements. To add a line, scroll down to the Lines and Shapes section and click on a line style you like. Drag it onto your canvas and adjust its length, thickness, and color from the toolbar. To add shapes, choose shapes like rectangles, circles, or triangles from the same section. Place them on your canvas and resize or rotate them as needed. You can also change the color of the shapes and use them as backgrounds for text or design highlights. Next, to add graphics, type a keyword in the search bar inside the Elements section. For example, search for star, laptop, or arrow. Click on a graphic you like and place it on the canvas. Resize and position it to match your design. If you want to add charts, scroll down to the chart section and choose a chart style such as a bar chart, pie chart, or line chart. Drag the chart onto the canvas and click it to edit the data. You can change the numbers, labels, and colors to match your information. Combine lines, shapes, graphics, and charts to build a clean and visually engaging design. When your design is complete, click Share and then Download to save your project.